The timeless appeal of oak. Discover why oak wood is not just a material, it's a legacy. Learn how to transform this timeless wood into profitable crafts that stand the test of time. Are you looking to turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable venture? Oak wood, known for its durability and timeless beauty, offers endless possibilities for crafting unique and valuable items. From elegant furniture to charming home decor, oak wood crafts can captivate customers and fill a niche in the market. In this guide, we will explore the steps to create stunning oak wood crafts that not only showcase your creativity, but also generate income. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a beginner eager to learn, you'll discover practical tips and techniques to bring your ideas to life. Get ready to unlock the secrets of oak wood crafting and embark on a rewarding journey that combines artistry with entrepreneurship. Let's dive in and transform your woodworking dreams into a thriving business. Oak wood is renowned for its strength, durability, and versatility, making it a favorite among woodworkers and craftsmen. Here are some key aspects that highlight the secrets and unique qualities of oak wood. 1. Types of oak. Red oak. Known for its open grain and reddish hue, it's commonly used for furniture and flooring. White oak. Denser and more resistant to moisture, making it ideal for outdoor furniture and barrels. 2. Strength and durability. Oak is one of the hardest domestic hardwoods, making it highly resistant to wear and tear. This durability makes it an excellent choice for furniture, flooring, and cabinetry. 3. Grain patterns. Oak features a prominent grain pattern, adding aesthetic appeal. The grain can be straight, wavy, or even irregular, which enhances the wood's beauty. 4. Workability. While oak can be challenging to work with due to its density, it holds nails and screws well and takes stains and finishes beautifully. 5. Natural resistance. White oak, in particular, has natural resistance to moisture and decay, making it suitable for outdoor applications. 6. Sustainability. Oak trees are abundant and can grow in various climates, making oak a sustainable choice when sourced responsibly. 7. Cultural significance. Oak has historical significance in many cultures, symbolizing strength and resilience. It's often used in traditional craftsmanship and architecture. 8. Finishing options. Oak wood can be finished in various ways, from natural oils to stains and paints, allowing for customization in appearance. Oak wood's combination of beauty, strength, and versatility makes it a treasured material in woodworking and craftsmanship. Whether used in furniture, flooring, or decorative items, oak continues to be a favorite for both its functional and aesthetic qualities. Creating oak wood crafts for profit can be a rewarding venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research and planning. Market research. Identify popular oak wood crafts in your area or online. Look for trends and customer preferences. Target audience. Define who your potential customers are, e.g., home decorators, gift buyers, etc. 2. Choose your craft. Decide on the types of crafts you want to make. Popular options include furniture, tables, chairs, and shelves. Home decor, picture frames, wooden signs, and coasters. Kitchen items, cutting boards, utensils, and serving trays. Toys, wooden toys or puzzles for children. 3. Gather materials and tools. Materials, source high-quality oak wood. Consider reclaimed wood for a unique touch. Tool, invest in essential woodworking tools such as saws, table saw, miter saw. Sanding tools. Drills. Finishing supplies, stains, oils, sealants. 4. Design and prototyping. Sketch designs. Create detailed sketches or digital designs of your crafts. Create prototypes. Make a few samples to test your designs and refine your techniques. 5. Crafting process. Cutting, measure, and cut the oak wood according to your designs. Shaping, sand and shape the wood to ensure smooth edges and surfaces. Assembly, assemble your crafts using glue, nails, or screws as needed. Finishing, apply stains, oils, or sealants to enhance the wood's natural beauty and protect it. 6. Pricing your crafts. Cost calculation. Calculate the total cost of materials, tools, and labor. Profit margin. Set a reasonable profit margin, typically 20–50% markup. 7. Marketing and selling. Online platforms. Use platforms like Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon Handmade to reach a wider audience. Local markets. Participate in craft fairs, farmers markets, or local shops. Social media. Promote your crafts on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to attract customers. 8. Customer engagement. Quality customer service. Provide excellent service to encourage repeat business. Feedback and improvement. Gather customer feedback to improve your products and designs. 9. Expand your offerings. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line or offering custom orders to meet customer needs. With careful planning, creativity, and craftsmanship, you can turn oak wood into beautiful products that sell well in the market. Stay committed to quality and customer satisfaction to build a successful craft business. Creating an oak wood craft design involves a blend of creativity, planning, and practical woodworking skills. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you design and make your oak wood craft. 1. Inspiration and conceptualization. Research designs. Look for inspiration online, Pinterest, woodworking forums, or in magazines. Consider what styles resonate with you: rustic, modern, traditional. Define your purpose. Decide what type of craft you want to make: furniture, decor, kitchen items, etc. 2. Sketching your design. Initial sketches. Draw rough sketches of your ideas, focusing on shape, size, and functionality. Detailed drawings. Create more precise drawings with measurements, angles, and any intricate details. 3. Selecting materials. Choose quality oak. Select the right type of oak wood, red or white, based on your project needs. Estimate quantities. Determine how much wood you'll need based on your design. 4. Creating a prototype. Mock-up. Use inexpensive materials like plywood to create a mock-up of your design. This helps in visualizing the final product and making adjustments. Test fit. Ensure all pieces fit together as intended. 5. Finalizing your design. Adjustments. Make any necessary modifications to your design based on the prototype. Plan the details. Consider any additional features such as joints, finishes, or embellishments. 6. Cutting and shaping the wood. Measurement and marking. Measure and mark your oak wood accurately according to your final design. Cutting. Use appropriate tools, table saw, miter saw to cut the wood pieces to size. Shaping. Sand edges and surfaces to ensure a smooth finish and remove any splinters. 7. Assembly. Joinery. Decide on the type of joints you will use: butt joints, dovetails, mortise, and tenon, and assemble the pieces accordingly. Clamping. Use clamps to hold pieces together while the glue dries. 8. Finishing touches. Sanding. Sand the entire craft to a smooth finish, starting with coarse grit and progressing to finer grits. Staining or painting. Apply a wood stain or paint if desired, or leave natural for a classic look. Sealing. Use a clear finish, polyurethane, oil, or wax, to protect the wood and enhance its appearance. 9. Final inspection. Quality check. Inspect the final product for any imperfections or areas needing touch-ups. Final touches. Make any last adjustments before considering it complete. By following these steps, you can create a well-designed oak wood craft that showcases your creativity and craftsmanship. Don't forget to enjoy the process and learn from each project. As you embark on your journey of crafting oak wood items for profit, remember that each piece you create tells a story, and reflects your unique style and craftsmanship. With oak's timeless appeal and durability, your creations can stand out in the marketplace, attracting customers who appreciate quality and artistry. By following the steps outlined in this guide, from designing and prototyping to marketing your finished products, you can build a successful woodworking business that not only fulfills your creative passions, but also provides a sustainable income. Don't forget to continually refine your skills, seek feedback, and stay attuned to market trends. The world of oak wood crafting is vast and full of opportunities. So grab your tools, let your creativity flow, and start turning your passion into profit today. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy crafting!